introducing yourself, where you're from, and you can let us know about your background and skill set.
My name is Prateek Kumar, and I have completed my graduation in the year 2013
Mm-hmm.
in the field of electrical and electronics.
Okay.
So basically, I do not come from a background of codings and so-called IT services.
Uh-huh.
But having that said, I decided to kind of switch,
Mm-hmm.
and that's how I kind of landed up and got to know about IntelliPat and
Uh-huh.
introduced myself with
Uh-huh.
the course of.
Okay.
So having 7.5 years of experience in a different segment of building construction designs and market development, and then kind of upgrading my skills to kind of take up the new challenges of data science and
Okay.
machine learning, AI. So
Okay.
this is how I see
That's
my recent past of career.
That's good. Yeah. So, which course you had enrolled in IntelliPath, and what was your primary objective behind taking up the course?
I was enrolled for master's program
Mm-hmm.
of data science architect,
Mm-hmm.
upskilling my skills and sets and kind of understanding the new dimension of data science
Okay.
and how this can be used for different segments.
Mm-hmm.
Second is of course job change,
Okay.
career switching,
Okay.
because I had done a good research of how all other industries is going to demand AI,
Yeah.
and so I should be ready for that.
Correct.
And the third is of course learning and kind of improving on me and my skills.
Please let us know about your success story.
See, there's nothing as success story I would call it, because everybody has a journey in life,
Correct.
and we are still doing that journey.
Mm-hmm.
So I am still doing my journey. I have achieved what I wanted to achieve through this course.
Okay.
Having that said, I come from a non-programming background. I mean, I'm a technical electrical engineer by education, by profession.
Okay.
And then kind of switching and trying to learn Python and Hadoop, SQL is a little bit tricky thing to do.
Mm-hmm.
But I chose to do, and it paid off. I am kind of getting a lot of good offers now.
Oh.
I am also kind of looking very better in my current role also, because the organization understand my role better way now.
Oh.
So they are helping and getting me multi-dimensional roles, kind of a strategist role, and how I can plan a whole lot of kind of yearly plan of a company. So those skills are what I am looking at, and current organization also has started valuing my work, my skills. So this is how I see my story. I also have to go a long way in data science and machine learning.
Okay.
Learning more deep into it, and kind of brushing more. So that's how I see. But till now, whatever I wanted to achieve through this course, I definitely have achieved it.
That's great. That's great. Yeah. So if you want to describe IntelliPath in one sentence, so how would you describe?
A perfect place to learn and grow.
That's great. Yeah. Thank you so much for your time.